Okay, in this video I'm going to be disassembling an Asus X501a laptop. I've heard that it's quite similar to the X401 series laptops. So, first things first, swing it upside down. I'm going to release the battery, and there's clips here and here which release the battery, so I'm going to just push those out. Or push them into this one on the left into the center and this one into the center, and hold this one, and that will allow you to push the battery out. Okay, on the bottom of the laptop there are a number of screws. There are two longer ones at these corner joints here, so you might want to keep those separate and not confuse them with the other screws. So I'm going to start here. You should have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And on to the next phase. I'm going to get that laptop opened. And if you start at the back here, you should be able to pull this up. So just pull it up quite gently. It should become loose. Now I'm going to use a little plastic spudule to try and pry the side of the laptop off. I'm just going to work my way around, gently prising it up as I go along, so it should come off quite easily. Now, when you get to this phase, don't be tempted just to lift this off, because there are connectors underneath the keyboard which you need to release. So what I recommend to do is open your screen as wide as it'll go and gently tilt the keyboard module up. Now I'm going to turn this around so you can see in behind here. So in behind we have two ribbons connecting the keyboard module to the motherboard. And what you need to do is release the little clasps that are holding these connectors in place. They just tilt up at a 90-degree angle, and then these ribbons should come free. And that's us. You're inside the laptop. And here, if you're after the hard drive, it can be replaced here. If you need to get at the cooling fan, it can be accessed here as well, if it's blocked with fluff or whatever. That's really it. It's quite a simple disassembly on this laptop. Thanks for tuning in.